The Centura doctor says she was wrongfully terminated for trying to help her patient end his life, and now she's fighting back.
The doctor was let go from Centura days after challenging the company's assisted suicide policy. Well, Denver 7's Gary Breaux joins us now. And Gary, she's claiming that her firing was illegal.
Yeah, Dr. Barbara Morris believes she followed the rules and that she was doing what she could for her patient. Now, Centura claims she was fired because she breached her contract when she publicly went against the company's policy.
Yeah, do you want to shake? Thank you.
Dr. Barbara Morris is spending a lot more time at home lately with her dog, Percy.
She's been getting a lot of walks.
But she would rather be back at work, doing the job she's loved for nearly 40 years.
It's been difficult for me, and I think will continue to be difficult. Nowhere near as difficult as what patients like Mr. Mahoney are facing.
Neil Mahoney was a patient of Dr. Morris. Earlier this summer, he was diagnosed with an incurable form of stage 4 cancer. It wasn't long after Mahoney told Morris he wanted to die, and he wanted her help.
He didn't understand why Centura could have a policy that was much more broad than the state statute.
The Colorado End-of-Life Options Act allows for doctors to aid in a patient's death. It also gives each hospital the choice to participate. Centura Health declined, saying Centura Health opted out of the act based on our Christian beliefs to promote and defend the sacredness of every human life.
There are people who have asked me why I didn't just write the prescription, right? Like, why didn't I just do it? Well, I couldn't do that in good faith. I knew what the policy was.
So Morris and Mahoney filed a lawsuit to determine if Centura's policy was legal. Morris says they filed on a Thursday, and by Monday, she was fired.
I was shell-shocked.
Even though Dr. Morris never gave a prescription, Centura claims she was fired because Dr. Morris publicly disavowed the beliefs and values of her employer and has asked a court to force Centura Health to allow her to participate in Aid in Dying.
This is from a patient I took care of 15 years ago.
Dr. Morris says she has received letters from across the country offering support.
Dear Dr. Morris, I was saddened and angered to hear about how Centura has treated you. You were without a doubt the very best physician I've ever had.
While Morris waits for her day in court, Mahoney is still alive, unable to end his life on his own terms.
I think about that every day.
Gary Breaux, Denver 7.